stay dreaming on. You know that I got the hopes and dreams, hopes and dreams, hopes and dreams. You know that I stay dreaming on. You know that I stay dreaming, dreaming.
Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be discussing one of the most popular and influential components of online marketing, social media marketing. We'll explore how businesses can effectively leverage social media platforms to reach their target audience and achieve their marketing goals. Let's get started. The power of social media marketing. Social media platforms, such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn, have revolutionized the way businesses engage with their audience. With billions of users worldwide, these platforms provide an immense opportunity for brands to create brand awareness, foster customer relationships, and drive conversions. Developing a social media strategy. To succeed in social media marketing, you need to develop a well-thought-out strategy. Start by identifying your target audience and selecting the most suitable platforms. Create engaging and shareable content, maintain a consistent posting schedule, and leverage paid advertising options to amplify your reach. Engagement and community building. One of the core aspects of social media marketing is building a community around your brand. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages promptly, hosting contests and giveaways, and encouraging user-generated content. Building strong relationships can lead to brand loyalty and advocacy. Measuring social media success. Measuring the success of your social media efforts is vital to understand what works and what needs improvement. Utilize analytics tools provided by social media platforms to track key metrics such as engagement, reach, clicks, and conversions. Adjust your strategy based on these insights for continuous improvement. Social media marketing offers a wealth of opportunities for businesses to connect with their target audience. By developing a solid strategy, fostering engagement, and measuring your success, you can maximize the potential of social media platforms to achieve your marketing objectives. Stay tuned for more valuable insights on our channel. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.
Man, I got hopes and dreams, hopes and dreams, hopes and dreams. You know that I stay dreaming. You know that I stay dreaming on.